The question is, does my computer work better if it's on Wi-Fi or if I have the phone plug Ethernet plugged in? Actually, your computer is going to run better and more stable with the Ethernet cord plugged in to your computer. Wi-Fi is also good, but Ethernet is more stable than Wi-Fi. So if you have a choice, plug in your computer with the Ethernet cable. It looks like a big phone cable, and you'll have more, a better connection as far as your internet goes. That's Mike's computer tip, bringing you another tip. I hope it helps you out. God bless. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you later with more tips from Mike's Computer Tips. Bye, everybody.